Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am so excited to be unboxing this beauty. This is the BTS Map of the Soul 1 concept photo book. I have been on eBay buying these, so I'm getting really good prices. Sometimes they come with cards, sometimes they don't. I did take the plastic off of it already, and I just opened this up. So I just wanted to show you what I got. And also the seller sent a cute little note and some of these little, I don't know if they're stickers, I think they might be, but just cute little like kawaii like stickers and a Jungkook photo card. Oh, I was so surprised. He is my bias wrecker, so I'm so excited to have this. Let's go ahead and get started. This is a beautiful book. Now for the one concept photo book, you can get, there's two different ones. There's this like gray silver one and then this black one. So I got the set and I think I got it for like $40. And shipping was included. And it comes, this was in a plastic sleeve with these postcards and then this one group card. So just to show you this beautiful card. I mean, how gorgeous are our boys? So I already said he is my bias wrecker. Here is my bias. He is so much my bias. I don't need a bias wrecker. Oh. Beautiful. This is like one of my favorite pictures of Suga. I love his haircut. I just love everything about it. Oh, Gemini. Beautiful. RM. Oh, I love the paper clips all over him. J-Hope with the pearls and the sequins. And then, oh, I didn't realize that's a rose. Oh, how beautiful for Jin. And it is such a beautiful case. You could see Map of the Soul 1 here. And then the first thing is this book, black version, which is also in here. What's that stuff? Just so you can see, this is what it looks like. It's really nice and sturdy. It's beautiful. It's a concept photo book clue version, Map of the Soul 1. It comes in this plastic sleeve. And let's look. Ooh, here we go. I'll have to zoom out and show the posters at the end of the video. But look at these cards. Oh, I didn't think, oh no, there's like other cards that I don't think came with it. Oh Lord. So these are transparent, beautiful cards. Look at him. Oh my God. I can't deal. I cannot. Jimin. I feel like this video is going to be 10 hours long. Hobi, Jin, and Suga. Oh, love them. Look at this man. Oh, so, and then it comes, oh, and there's RM. I was going to say one is missing. And so this is just a little holder. So now let's look at the book. This is what I didn't think I was going to get, the lenticular card, the group card. So it says BTS and it has like that triangle pyramid. And then the guys, look how cute. Oh, I'm like shaking. I'm so excited for this. Oh, I can't believe it. I feel like I should go through this pretty quickly. Otherwise, this video will be 3 hours long.
Beautiful. I'm dead. Ah! beautiful. Oh, I like it. Persona home. Ah, it's so good. Oh, so cool. So cool. Oh, this is like a moon crater. Stunning. Oh, this man. Oh my god. Oh my god. Just seeing it this big. That's what she said. Because I'm like shaking. Hope World. Oh, he looks so cute. Oh, this is so cool. It's just like a collage. Oh my god, I remember all of these things. Oh, sunshine. Oh, sugar. Sling it. I love it. It's so good. Ooh! Sugar has like crept up the charts in my book. So cute. Oh, beautiful with the red. Look at this beautiful man. Beautiful angel. Oh, I like a statue. Oh, gorgeous. Oh, he's beautiful. What a beautiful picture. Okay. Oh, it's out of focus and I love it. Look at his eyes. Oh my god. Oh, they're beautiful. They look like he's crying. Oh. These men will be the death of us. So that is it for this book. And we have this map of the soul facing my inner shadow. So let's see. Oh, and it just has all of them. This is what it looks like. Wow, that's cool. I'll have to show this. Oh, actually, you can see it right here. Oh my god, this man and his tongue. Put it away. No, actually, don't. Don't ever. Beautiful. Oh my god, I am so excited. It also comes in this sleeve. Oh! Okay, so things are already coming out. And this has a poster. And this is the route version. Do you say route or route? Shida, Jin, Hobie, Jimin. Oh, save my love. JK. Oh god, these guys are gorgeous. Look at him. How dare you? How dare you? And then here we have beautiful RM. I like how they put RMs in here as like the lead.
So here is the book, and it's nice if you're into makeup and you know like the NARS makeup material. It feels like that, like very smooth, buttery. I don't know how to explain it. Really cool. Another lenticular photo. Oh, it's slightly different. Okay, so they both say BTS at one angle. I'm trying to see if I can get it. Well, this one has like the route, like circular image. This is the triangular image. And they both say BTS, but the images are very slightly different. I hope it's coming up. Very slight, like RM is standing there and now his hand's at his mouth. V is basically the same. His head is just more down. Oh, that's so cool.
Right off the bat. Are you kidding me? Oh, even these like long hairs. I love his beauty mark on his lip. Gorgeous. Ooh, he's so cute. Wow. That is so cool. Is it like that with them? Yeah, it's like square. Oh! Usually you see a circle for like ring lights. Oh, that's so cool. Beautiful. Ah, he's a little beauty mark too. Gorgeous. Oh, sugar. Gorgeous. Ah, the fitted leather pants. They'll never be as tight as JK's. Ah, stunning. Oh my god, he's beautiful. Wow, he has nice hands. The tassels and fringe up here. Oh, he's so cute. That's beautiful. Sugar. Oh, I like the silver. That is so cool. Oh, beautiful. Beautiful. Oh my goodness, Jen! Look at that jacket though. He is so handsome. The photographers are, kudos to you, you're amazing. And the set designers, the costume designers, oh, wardrobe is great, hair and makeup is great. Everything, like the crushed, you know, like, oh god, everything. Oh, this is cool. Here's another concept thing. Oh, okay, I said it's not like a full layout, but it's beautiful. Jimin. Oh, look at his microphone. He's lovely. I'm dead. I'm dead. This man. Ah. He's beautiful. Oh my god. Ooh, I like his belt. His little earpiece, the green. Oh my god. Ooh, so cool. Oh, another one. I wish this was a spread. Oh, beautiful. Oh, how cute you are. Ah. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Those are like rhinestones. I thought it was like fishnet. Jimin. Ooh, this is so cool. Oh. Again. Beautiful. Oh my gosh, guys! I can't deal with the gorgeousness. Okay, so the other one was like facing my shadow, and this one is Map of the Soul 1, The Journey to My Completeness. And the image of them definitely like more lit, like their faces really stand out. Oh Lord, help me. Oh, I love the way they did this. So they're just like all overlapping. Gorgeous. I am so excited.
Okay, so here is the first poster. Beautiful. Beautiful. And here is the second poster. They're gorgeous. Okay, well, that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed. And I just can't even. I am so excited. I think I got a great price on this. Everything came in great quality. And yeah, definitely check out eBay if you're looking for stuff at like a better cost, but be careful. You need to shop around, okay? So I hope you enjoyed this. Let me know if there's any other unboxings you want to see in the comments down below, and I'll see you next time. Bye, guys. Bye, Army.